Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special unboxing. So I did a little bit of damage over there last Friday and I got a really special bag from the 22P collection. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's start with the unboxing. Now, opening this box is so fun. Alright, and now I'm just peeling it very carefully. Ta-da! Just gonna close this box. Close her right here. Put her by the side. Alright. So, can you guess what's in here? It is a top handle in the light pink and light green color. I just love this ombre color. It's so pretty, and when my SA texted me on Friday afternoon, she texted me a photo of this bag and she said that if you want it, you have 30 minutes to come down to the store to buy it. And obviously it's a Friday afternoon, so I was working. So I quickly said to the team, I'm gonna take my lunch break, and I took the subway all the way up to Midtown to Saks Fifth Avenue, and I walked in and I saw this beauty and I just had to get her. And I'm so happy my SA managed to keep it for me. She did mention that there was another customer who was going to purchase this, and she told the manager that she has to save it for me. So I had 30 minutes to get up there, purchased it, immediately swiped my credit card, and then headed back home so that I can get back to work. So I would say the whole process was really overwhelming. I think shopping at Chanel can sometimes be like pre-COVID times or the early COVID times where we're rushing to the store to get toilet paper and everything is sold out. So I feel like, there's always that rush to really put your money down on a bag that you love. And I didn't really have the time to think about this purchase as much as my other purchases that I've done over, resellers. So I think that's one downside of shopping with a boutique, is that you really are trying to rush down just to get a bag that you want, and even so, maybe that whole pressure of buying it really quickly on an impulse can also be a downside to shopping in the boutiques. But I'm just really happy I got her. She is a gorgeous shade of pink and purple. She would be perfect for spring, and I just love that she reminds me of cotton candy. So yeah, and then I still have the tags on because I'm still thinking over this purchase. I don't know if I should keep it or if I should return it, because I bought it on such a whim, and I'm just not used to spending so much money so quickly without thinking about how I would style it, how I could incorporate it into my wardrobe. But this is it. So this is the 22P collection, and on the tag it says that it's a light pink and light green top handle, and this is the price of it. So it was $4,800, and after taxes it was around $5,200 when I got it. And apparently this is a light pink and light green top handle, but to my surprise, it is very much purple and pink base, and there's a hint of green at the back of the top. just too pretty to pass. And I've always been on a hunt for an ombre color bag. There was the 21K collection that was an ombre blue mini bag that I was eyeing. And I'm so glad I actually did get this because I usually wear a lot of pastels and pinks, and I just love this color combination. I think it's very gorgeous. So over here, I just brought out my tweed mini flat just for a comparison against this 22P collection top handle here. This tweed I got from a reseller, and this is from the 21S collection. And I'm so happy that I got this tweed mini. She was always on my wish list, and I knew that I already missed the boat, so going through a reseller was the only option. And here you can see that, you know, this one is with the LiPo hardware, and the top handle here is with the H-Gold hardware. In terms of sizing, they are pretty much the same, except that there is a top handle here, and the chain straps do not go into the bag, so you can't remove it or you can't adjust the strap length. But for the mini here, you can move the strap up and down, and you can change the length of it using a hook that I got from Amazon. Or you can just use a ribbon to just tie it just to change the length of it. But typically I do enjoy wearing this bag as a clutch or as a crossbody. And after getting this bag, I realized that I really love wearing the mini size. I think the mini size is just perfect for my body shape. I just love mini bags to begin with. And I do think that the size is perfect for my everyday needs because I don't really carry much. I just need my keys, my phone, a hand sanitizer, and maybe some hand cream, but that really is it for what I usually wear in my daily activities. So a top handle is something that I don't have in my collection, and I was open to trying it out. I really love how this bag is also versatile because you can wear it as a top handle, or you can also have it as a crossbody. And I do like the versatility and the option that you have of wearing it as a top handle. And I also really love the chain detail that could be like a nice touch, or a like even if you're not going to be using it, I feel like the straps kind of adds a different personality to a bag. Can be kind of like a keychain or an accessory. So yeah, I really love this. But in terms of the strap length, the strap length for the mini is a lot longer than the top handle. And when you wear it crossbody, it is also longer. It sits lower on my hips, but I do think that the top handle, when I wear it crossbody, it is just the perfect length for me. And in terms of thickness of the straps for this is a lot thicker and a lot sturdier than the top handle. The top handle has a very skinny strap, a lot skinnier than the mini flap. So here is it in comparison. So that's about it in terms of the review. I am still considering if I should keep this bag, or if I should resell it or return it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will try to style it up in a few options so that you can see how the bag looks on me and what I will pair it with in my wardrobe. So here are a few mock shots of me wearing the bag. I'm wearing a sweater from Ganni and a skirt from Reiss. I thought thought that the cream colors would be a nice base to help contrast and for you to see the colors of the bag a little bit better. So this is how it looks when I have it crossbody. And this is how it looks when I have it on the side. I also really love wearing this bag as just a top handle, and if I were to wear it as a top handle, I would have the chain as an accessory. So I'll wear it like this. And I'm also going to wear so I also have my mini so that you can see it as a reference, and you can see that the mini is a little bit longer on the straps, so it hits my hip bones a little bit lower, and this sits more on the waist, which I really prefer. Yeah, so you can see it with the different lengths, and I will also wear it on the shoulders. So this is how it looks just on the shoulders, and you can see that the mini doesn't really fit me on the shoulders very well because I think it is a little bit too long, but it doesn't matter because I do have some hooks that I got on Amazon so that I can shorten the straps. So yeah, I really love these two bags. Here is just a little bit of more closer up of the bag. I also wore this bag out for Valentine's Day dinner, and I wore it with my Ackler dress and a Reese coat. It has a pink fur detail on it, which I really love. I thought that the texture complemented the ombre effect of the bag really well. And I love how this bag just dresses up any plain outfit, and it really is the star of the show. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you